Hi. So for today's lesson, I am going to show you first the dashboard of a WordPress site. So for the sake of this tutorial, I am showing you the back end of my febilunag.com. I hosted this via WordPress. So as you can see, okay, let me just move those. Okay, this is the dashboard. If it's your first time to see this, you don't need to panic at all. The very important parts that you need to learn for today is the posts. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll see here the different features and elements of WordPress. So in the dashboard, you have here the site kit, elements, posts, media, pages, and other stuff. But for now, all I want you to learn first is the posts and pages. Okay, so in the posts, because one of the main tasks, if you are a VA, one of the major tasks when it comes to WordPress is to help clients post their blogs inside their WordPress site. So they will give you access to their WordPress, they will give you the login details, and now they will ask you to post a blog on their WordPress. So how do you do that? Sometimes you tend to panic, most especially if it's your first time. But for beginners, just learn first this, okay? So in your dashboard, all you have to do is go to the dashboard, whatever type of builder they are using. They may be using DV Builder or Elementor or other types of website builder. For me, I am using Elementor, but I'll show you that later. However, the navigations are all the same. The skills that you will learn here is applicable to any platform, any WordPress platform, whatever type of editor they are using. Okay, so when you are inside the posts here, and it's look for what it says. Okay, in the posts, and then add post. If your client gave you the article or the blog post, you can simply copy and paste it here. Okay, so in the next video, I'll show you, okay, how to generate the blog and then how to post it here. And I'm going to show you the prompt that you will use in order to write the blog. Okay, so see you in the next lesson.